Alright guys, ayan, nandito na naman po kami sa aming paboritong Mexican restaurant. We really love to eat this place guys kasi hindi siya masyadong maraming tao, and then yung serving nila is napakadami. So it's a long day for us. That's why ito madalas ang pinupuntahan namin to have a dinner. At ayan, we are just waiting. You know, I'm just doing the video tape, wala palang sounds, kaya ito guys, nagbibidyo ako, voice over. Paano yung video ko, wala palang sounds, kaya ayan guys. Diba? Salita lang ako ng salita. Walang sounds. Parang tanga lang si Nene. Ayan ang aking gwapong asawa. He is very supportive guys, you know. God bless me to have my husband like him. And I'm so blessed, you know. Even marriage is not perfect, but still I am so blessed. Ayan. May aso siyang katapat. Ayan, still I'm so blessed because he is so supportive in everything. And, you know, but there, while we're waiting guys, we have a little of chika-chika. And it's part, you know, it's part of life. Sometimes even we are not perfect. Marriage is not really good, but still, where sabi nga doon is count your blessing. We should count our blessing, and part of the blessing is the trials. Ayan. Ayan, bago tayo magdrama, ayusin ko muna. Ito na ang aming order. Ayan na yung order namin guys. Tuwang-tuwa ang aking asawa dahil nga yung serving nila dito pang 5 tao sa isang order. Ayan, excuse me sa mga nakikita nyo hindi karapat dapat. Pag walang bahala nyo na yan. Ayan. Pinag-uusapan namin guys yung kabilang table. Alam mo naman, Marites is real. Ayan, nag-order kasi ng pagkadami-dami. Ayaw ng taste, binalik. Pero ito yung order namin guys. Look. Yan ang isang order. I think this one is, and this one. Sasawa ko yan. Chicharones. Yan. Pinapatikim niya kami kung crunchy daw ba ang chicharones na in-order niya. High blood yan guys ha. At yan na nga guys. Ang bilis na ubos. Ayan, naubos na ang aming mga in-order kasi hindi kami gutom guys. Sobrang pagod for that day and super gutom. Ayan. Parang ano lang siya, hinanginan. Ayan. Ang sarap nito guys, yung soup nila, menudo ang tawag dyan. Sa atin yung menudo tuyo, pero dito ang menudo is ano, sarap. Soup siya, soup. Ayan, ang sarap. At ang sarap din yan guys na kinakain ko. That is beans. Napakasarap ng beans ng Mexican. That's why we love Mexican food. And shout out sa lahat ng mga Mexican dyan. Sa kayong masarap. Ayan. Fairness. Ayan, sarap-sarap. Thank you guys for watching. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga nandyan, sa aking premiere, thank you so much. Sa mga love, walang sawang naglalove, showing your love, I really appreciate it. Ayan, tinga-tinga muna tayo guys, tinga. At yan guys, ibabalot na natin. Dito guys, uso yan. Pagtapos mo kumain, of course, kahit saan naman, kailangan na iuwi yan yung mga tira.
It's a quick, guys. It's a quick dinner.
Mamaya.
Now we're gonna go home.
Ayan. Pauwi na kami,
This is a
guys.
beautiful
Ito
daughter.
nga pala ang aking anak, ang aking
Yan, guys, ang
youngest
anak ko, maganda.
daughter, and my second to the youngest. Ayan.
11.
Dito na.
11 ang kiss ko.
Kami. Ano lang guys ang buhay. After the long
Wala,
day,
nakabidyo tayo.
after work, you know, we don't have time to cook.
Yan guys, nagpipintahan na
Maraming mga
sila
fast
guys.
food dito sa US.
Kwenta
na
is
pwede
real.
mo kainan. But that's one
Bye
of my
guys, thank you so
favorite,
much for watching. I love you so much.
Yan, tinan
Thank
nyo,
you
salita ko na
for
salita,
supporting
nakamute
and
pala
for the
ako.
love. Bye
Kaya,
bye.
ayan.
Have a blessed day.
We go home na. Bye-bye. Ganon!